2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 4x4 truck. We're installing the Eibach 2.5-inch Stage 1 suspension kit on this vehicle, which that kit consists of new struts and new springs in the front and new shocks in the rear. We're also going to be putting an add leaf in the rear to give a little more height and a little added support for hauling weight and stuff. And for wheels and tires, we're doing the BF Goodrich KO2s and the 275/70/17 on some Method Roost and the 17x8. Should be a real nice stance for the vehicle. Special thanks to Eibach for helping us out with this build.